Good day everyone. I am Sylvester Bation, a reporter from Group 6. We are covering Chapter 7. My report begins at page 165 to 169. According to Article 59 of Presidential Decree 603, the following are the criminal liability of parents. 1. Conceals or abandons a child with intent to make such child lose his civil status. 2. Abandons a child under such circumstances to deprive him of the love, care, and protection he needs. 3. Sells or abandons the child to another person for valuable consideration. 4. Neglects the child by not giving him the education which the family's station in life and financial conditions permit. 5. Fails or refuses without justifiable grounds to enroll the child. 6. Causes, abates, or permits the truancy of the child from the school where he is enrolled. 7. Improperly exploits the child by using him directly or indirectly, such as for purposes of begging and other acts which are inimical to his interests and welfare. 8. Inflicts cruel and unusual punishment upon the child or deliberately subjects him to indignations and other excessive chastisement that embarrass or humiliate him. 9. Causes or encourages the child to lead an immoral or dissolute life. 10. Permits the child to possess, handle, or carry a deadly weapon regardless of its ownership. 11. Allows or requires the child to drive without a license or with a license which the parent knows to have been illegally procured. So, the following that I have just mentioned, now, to summarize it, it's all about kapabayaan ng parents, pagiging abusado, ana nga mga butang. So, dire na punta sa role sa community towards sa mga children or mga youths. So, according to PD 603 of 1974, Article 85, Number 1, bring about a healthy environment necessary to the normal growth of children and the enhancement of their physical, mental, and spiritual well-being. So, ang improvement or ang future sa bata, based ani, kay nagadepende jud sa kung asa siya nagdako, kung unsang iyang makita, kung unsang iyang mga community nga makihalubilo kada adlaw, kung positive or improving ang community nga